Wash our hands. 1, 2, 3. Nice and clean for you and me. Rinse our mouths, swish around. Clean and fresh, no germs found. Lick. Clean our nose gently too. Blow it out. 1, 2. Wash our face, shiny light. Left and right, nice and light. Wash our arms up to the elbow, round and left, nice and slow. Wipe our head, soft and neat, front to back, nice and sweet. Clean our ears, inside, outside, and lay. Keep them fresh on both sides, look. Wipe our neck, nice and slow, front to back, gentle glow. Wash our feet, toes to heel. Now we're clean and feel so real. Alhamdulillah. Wudu done, ready to pray. It's so